This technique is going to make you sound ultra country. It's called the banjo roll and is often used by players like Albert Lee and Brent Mason. We're going to use a technique called hybrid picking, which involves using both the pick and the fingers on the right hand. First of all, I'm going to demonstrate the technique as it should be played and then break it down slowly. This particular example is in the key of E. We're going to start off by placing our first finger on the 3rd fret of the G string. We're going to apply a downward pick with our right hand. Then we're going to hammer on. We're going to hammer on with our middle finger on the left hand. We're then going to use the middle finger on the right hand to play the B string underneath. We then apply another down pick on the 3rd string. The next 4 notes involve us using the 3rd finger to play the high E string, the middle finger to play the B string. Then we apply another downstroke on the G string, and then the middle finger plays the B string again. So the last 4 notes are as follows. Here's the whole example very slowly. I'm now going to go into more detail about the right hand picking and break this down slowly. So here is a slow demonstration of the right hand picking. The order is pick, hammer, middle finger, pick, 3rd finger, middle finger, pick, middle finger. That was a demonstration of the banjo roll. See you in the next lesson.